go through the problem. So a pinion having 30 teeth drives a gear having 80 teeth, and the profile of the gears is involute with the 20-degree pressure angle, and then 12 mm module is given and 10 mm addendum is given. So you have to find the length of the path of contact, arc of contact, and the contact ratio. So just now you have seen the formulas. You know the formula for length of path of contact and arc of contact and the contact ratio. So you have to solve this. So I'll explain of one problem completely step by step. Later we can solve it. Okay. So first, the pinion number of teeth is given, that is small t, you can take it as 30. So this is given, and the gear is having 80 teeth. So capital T, let us take it as 80 then, and then the phi angle, that is pressure angle, is given 20 degree. So pressure angle phi is given as 20 degree. Then the module is given 12 mm. So m is equal to 12 mm, and then addendum is given 10 mm. Okay. So addendum you can take 10 mm. So first you have to find out the length of path of contact. So what are the things required for path of contact? You know it. Okay. In the formula you know. So first thing is small r, then RA, then capital R, then capital RA. So pitch circle radius and addendum circle radius for both the pinion and the gear should be known. Okay. So first step is to calculate that. So that is not given directly in the question. So what is given, that is number of teeth is given. So you know that pitch circle radius of the pinion is known to you. So that is nothing but r equal to mt by 2. So you know that how to calculate the pitch circle radius, mt by 2. So if you know the module and the teeth, automatically you can calculate the pitch circle radius. Okay. So teeth is known to you. So t is 30 and module is given as 12 mm. So substitute the values. So mt by 2, 12 into 30 by 2, you get 180 mm. That is radius for the pinion, pitch circle radius for the pinion. Next, pitch circle radius of gear, capital R. So capital T will be using there. So mt by 2. So 12 into 80 by 2. So you get 480 mm. Okay. Next, to get the radius of the addendum circle, that is RA, small RA first. So it is nothing but radius plus addendum value. So once you get the addendum value, so it is just addition from the radius. So radius, pitch circle radius already known to you. So if the addition of addendum value is done, automatically get the addendum circle radius. Okay. So r plus addendum. So addendum is given 10 mm. So add 180 plus 10. So you get addendum circle radius as 190 mm. So you got now RA. Next, radius of the addendum circle of the gear, same way r plus addendum. So addendum is again given 10 mm. So capital R is 480. So 480 plus 10, you get 490 mm. Okay. So you got all these 4 values. Next, you know the angle phi also. So substitute the values to get the path of contact. So you know the formula, length of path of contact Kp. For first path of approach you will take Kp. So you know that it is nothing but all with capital R, because it is for the path of approach. So under root of RA square minus R square cos square phi minus R sin phi. So this is the formula. So substitute the value. So RA is 490 and R is 480 and angle phi is given 20 degree. So substitute this value. R is 480. So substituting this, you will be getting some answer. So 27.3 you will be getting. Then length of path of recess same way, PL. So same formula just with small letters, small r, right? So RA square minus R square cos square phi and R. So substitute all these values for the small r. So you get here 25 mm. Now add these things, addition of both the things, you get the path of contact. So that is KL is nothing but KP plus PL. So you get addition of these things, it is 52.3. Even you can substitute directly with the final equation. Directly you can take path of contact formula. So both together you can calculate. So you can do separately also or together also. But if you do separately, what will happen? Sometimes you can use the path of approach value and path of recess value if the question is asked like that. So that time it becomes simple when you use separately. Otherwise you can calculate together. Then length of arc of contact, you know. So length of arc of contact is length of path of contact divided by cos phi. Okay. So just divide by cos phi, whatever you get the value of path of contact. So you get the value of arc of contact as 55.66. And the last step, contact ratio. To get contact ratio, length of arc of contact divided by PC. I just now I told you. So PC is nothing but pi into m. So for that you should use that circular pitch formula, pi into m. So already module is known to you. So pi into 12 you get 37.7. So substitute that value here and you can calculate. So contact ratio you get 1.5 something. So let us take it as 2. So you get the contact ratio value. Okay. So you got this how to calculate. So all three things what we discussed in the equation now. So same way we are calculated now. Any doubt in this? All formulas are clear? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So I'll give you time to solve this. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll continue with one more problem also. Then later you can take both the problems together. Okay. Next, in this problem, you can see the number of teeth on each of the two equal spur gears are in mesh, that is given as 40. So both for gears, that is both spur gears, that is both the number of teeth are nothing but same. He has given equal. Okay. So as it is equal, so number of teeth, that is small t and capital T, both are given, that is both are 40. Both are equal. And then the teeth have a 20 degree involute profile. So here the phi value, angle phi value is given. So that is 20 degree. And then module is given 6 mm. And one condition is given, if the arc of contact is 1.75 times that of circular pitch, you have to find out the addendum. Okay. So reverse, right? Compared to the last problem, this is like a reverse method. Okay. So we'll start with the circular pitch now, because circular pitch can be calculated because the module is known to you. Okay. So first let us solve the circular pitch. So PC is P into M. So you get value of circular pitch. Then arc of contact, this is given here in the question. Arc of contact is 1.7 times that of circular pitch. So length of arc of contact is 1.7 times of PC, and PC you have calculated now. So substitute the value of PC here, you get 33 mm. Okay. Then the length of path of contact, you know that is nothing but length of arc of contact multiplied by cos phi. Reverse now. So you know that arc of contact is path of contact divided by cos phi. So path of contact is multiplication of arc of contact into cos phi. So from here you get 33 cos 20 degrees, so you get 31 mm. So all we are going reverse now. Now let us take RA and small RA, that is radius of the addendum circle, because both will be nothing but same, because number of teeth is equal. Okay, so either take small capital R or small r, nothing but same values. So it is empty by 2. So you know that empty by 2, radius is empty by 2. So substitute this value, you get radius as 120 mm. Okay, so this is the pitch circle radius. Now substitute the values to find out the addendum radius of the addendum circle. So you know that length of path of contact is given 31 mm, that is calculated now. So that is already known to you. Now that will be equal to RA square minus R square cos square phi. So entire thing you have put together, the formula for length of path of contact. So you know the values of radius, pitch circle radius. So substitute the values of pitch circle radius, and also angle is also known to you. So you can take it as 2 times of this, because both are nothing but same. Okay. Then you can calculate the RA value, that is RA. So once you get the value of RA from this thing, then you can measure the addendum value, that is nothing but RA minus R. Okay. So addendum of the wheel will be the difference between the addendum circle and the pitch circle radius. Okay, once you get this value, automatically you take the difference of this value, so you get addendum value as 6.12. Okay, so just it is reversed now. Okay, so go with the problem. So solve both the problems here with the given formulas. So first solve this, and later you can take this problem.